some key differences. Definitely humans need some rest also, so we can work rigorously probably for 8 to 10 hours. That is the reason in the workforce or in the office, every office has a time slot that will, so somebody has 8 hours, somebody has 10 hours or 12 hours, but not more than that, because as per labor law, we have to work as per the given guidelines, and this is something very psychological and very much required. However, when it comes to a robot can work 24 by 7. So without taking rest, without any intervention, without any kind of hindrance, it can continuously work. 60% productivity is on average 100% productivity. This line item is something that I want to highlight. Let's take a very hypothetical example. Just don't take this example for anybody else. Just consider yourself in that shoe. So if you are working, if you are in the office for the last 10 hours, if you are working for the last 10 hours and your punch in and punch out time, that is punch out minus punch in time, is showing that you have spent 10 hours in the office, does that mean actually you have given 10 hours to work or to give the productivity? Whatever is your production, whatever is your efficiency, are you really giving 10 hours? Probably not, because after probably after every hour or every half an hour, a lot of people take after half an hour they take a 5 minutes breather, somebody takes two after 2 hours. So depending on human to human, people to people, it will vary, but still continuously we cannot work for 10 hours. So we have to take some break, probably bio break, probably a food break, or could be anything. So that is something on an average it will come somewhere around 60%. However, when it comes to a machine can work continuously without taking break for 100%. That is, and their 100% is entire day, but our 100% is only probably 10 hours a day. Now, difficult to do multitasking, does not make mistake. Multitasking when it comes to a machine and when it comes to a human. Humans definitely can do some little bit of multitasking. However, when it comes to a machine can be trained to multitask or parallelly, but one word I'm using, can be trained. So you have to train the machine. Otherwise, machine will only do what you will train. And so here we have written make mistake. So you will see that machines are also making mistake. When you will deploy a bot in your system, in your workforce, you will see a lot of time bots also fail. But that doesn't mean that bot is actually doing wrong production, wrong activity. It clearly indicates that the instruction, the set of instruction that has been given to a machine. Robots are something, this robotic process automation, we call it as robots, but actually these are some software codes that has been written in such a way that it can perform those activities. Now, if the activities that you have given to a machine is not making sense or is little different, probably humans can understand, but machine needs a step-by-step information. So if those informations are not given to the bot clearly or appropriately, then it will not perform. So it will make mistake. I will give some example again how this thing happens, and mistake making, how bot makes mistake. We will discuss on. I will come back on this again. Can take decisions on new activities, cannot create its own logic. Definitely, it's a machine. Humans have his own intelligence, and basis that intelligence, we can take our own. We can decide what is right, what is wrong, and which path can be taken. However, machine, they don't have that brain, so they are pretty simple. The machine needs to be trained. Whatever is black and white, then black and white can be understood by a machine, but gray area is for humans, because humans can decide from that gray area.